Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have y(x), y(x). So this one that is about the root number 1. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. First the derivative of v, we have number 1, so we have 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. First the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v. So we need to change y into vx. dy over dx we change by this one. Now we simplify x on numerator and denominator. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, v I will put on the right, and we have negative v. Now we do common denominator. So this one we have 2v squared minus v. So negative we change the sign of this one. So v negative v we have 2v. This one we have negative 2v squared. Next, I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have 2v. This one we have number 1, so we have number 2. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. Now we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. 2v minus 1 dv we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Next, we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by x. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we have the condition. So we put y equals to number 3, s equals to number 2 cone here. Now we need to simplify this one. And we have 1 over 2. So this one I will put on the left. This one we calculate, and we will have about negative 1 over 2 Ln of number 2. So we put the value cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.